Oh my god, the front fell off. Rob, the front of it fell off. The front fell off. Read the chat for me. It's on fire.
Oh.
Jesus, how long does this go?
2 minutes!
It should be about 15 more seconds. Rob, you're pushing it away from the fireworks.
Does the house come on fire? Has the house caught on fire yet? Woo! That's probably it.
Everybody say white.